Hello. There is a hidden cause of anxiety that has nothing to do with stress, trauma, genetics, or even brain chemistry. And unless you fix this, you can do everything right and still feel anxious. Do you have bouts of excessive worry, restlessness, fatigue, trouble constipation, or irritability? Maybe for no clear reason? New research shows that your digestive system may be pulling your emotional strings. Chronic bloating, constipation, or even food sensitivities could be sending stress signals straight to your nervous system day and night. If you've tried therapy, prescription medication, self-medication, and everything else with little relief, this might explain why. In this video, I'll show you how gut imbalances trigger anxiety and what you can do to fix it. Most people know that the brain produces neurotransmitters like serotonin that influence mood, appetite, and even sexual behavior. But what you may not know is that 90% of your serotonin in your body is produced in the gut, and only about 10% is produced in your brain. Serotonin plays several important roles in your body, including influencing learning, memory, happiness, as well as regulating body temperature, sleep, sexual behavior, and hunger. Lack of serotonin is thought to play a role in anxiety, depression, and brain fog. Sometimes medications are prescribed to increase serotonin levels. These medications bypass the body's natural mechanisms and can cause sleep disturbances, sexual dysfunction in men and women, indigestion, anxiety, and of course, weight gain. Fortunately, numerous studies show that improving gut function has a beneficial effect on serotonin levels and mood without side effects. It works like this. In the unhealthy gut, there's increased inflammation, decreased beneficial bacteria, decreased serotonin, and poor digestion. Here's the colon over here. We can see there's inflammation and poor elimination. This feeds into your brain and nervous system, causing anxiety and foggy thinking. Anxiety and foggy thinking further stress the gut, causing more inflammation, more damage to the beneficial bacteria, less serotonin, and even more digestive problems, which then goes into creating more anxiety, foggy thinking, and it just goes round and round. So, how do you get out of this? That's what we're going to cover next. Here's the target over here, a healthy gut. So, if you're able to decrease inflammation, and I'll tell you how to do that in a few minutes, if you're able to increase the beneficial bacteria, and I'll tell you how to do that in a few minutes, then the serotonin levels will rise. You'll have healthy digestion, and we can see here waste material is flowing through properly. This feeds into the brain and the spinal cord. You feel happy, thinking is clearer. This feeds back into the colon, which improves colon function, which feeds back into the brain and the spinal cord, around and around in an ever-improving cycle. To start improving your mood, I suggest that you take a good probiotic and use the acupressure points that I will show you in a few minutes. And if you need any extra help, you can go ahead and reach out to me. I'll do what I can to help. I've put a link to my contact page in this video's description. My name is Dr. Baritz. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I'm an expert in Western acupuncture. I've dedicated my life to helping people avoid unnecessary medications and surgery by giving them options that are both safe and effective. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos like this come out. The first point to reduce gut inflammation and improve gut function is located near your ankle. To locate this point, put your index finger on the tip of your ankle bone right over here. Then come forward and down in a 45-degree angle like this. You're on a hard bone here. As you come down, you'll be in a little soft spot between a couple of bones. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. Be careful, on some people this is really tender. Massage this point in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds, like this. Or if you have a Digestion, which is a spring-loaded acupressure instrument, you can pulse it 25 times, like this. And here's another view. Now find and activate this point on your other ankle. The next powerful point to reduce gut inflammation and improve gut health is found on the back of your hand. Notice there's a fold of skin between your thumb and your index finger. Just run your thumb down till you come to the joint, and then keep on going down till you come to the end of that fold of skin. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Massage this point in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds, like this. Or if you have a Digestion, pulse it 25 times, like this. Now find and activate this point on your other hand. The third, a powerful and direct point for reducing inflammation in your gut is located a little bit below your belly button. Find your belly button right over here. Then find the point that's the width of your index and your middle finger, this distance right here, right below it, just like this, right here. Push in firmly to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Massage this point in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds, like this. Or you can pulse it 25 times with a Digestion, like this. The next step to improving the gut-brain connection is to improve sleep. I put my video Sleep right over here. Have a look.